We're heading to fill the freezer.
This whole season, like, nothing good has happened.
Tears and stress.
Yeah,
so we're having.
Wow.
Ayo.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
Morning, guys.
So we are headed to go get meat.
We're heading to fill the freezer.
Yeah, we are picking up, what, half a hog or a whole hog?
Whole hog.
A whole hog today. So we did a half a hog last time.
Yeah.
And
switched farmers.
Yeah. To the farmer we got our beef from.
Yes.
Because his beef is so good.
We weren't the last. We were gracious for our what we had, but it wasn't the kind of smoke that we liked and we care for. Like the last time we got a lot of butt bacon and stuff like that we just didn't care for.
Just not stuff that we normally would eat. So this time when we ordered this hog, it'll come with more of the stuff that we would eat. So
we're gonna have bacon and breakfast sausage. Our kids love breakfast sausage and pork chops and smoked hams and everything, instead of being natural, because we learned a lot of people like natural hams. We don't.
Yeah, we're not we're not a natural ham family. We prefer the cured.
To us, it's more like eating a pork roast than it was. So.
And we do like a good pork roast because I
yeah.
make them all the time. But when I'm eating bacon and ham and stuff like that, I want it to be like that smoky flavor.
Yeah. So, and the farmer that we deal with, the gentleman and his wife, they are phenomenal. Like, they delivered our beef last time. They would have delivered this. This came ready when we were done with COVID. So the locker was really nice, and they were really nice. So we just paid the farmer via Venmo, and then we'll pay the locker plant when we get there for the actual processing. So
yeah, that's our adventure we're off on today. And then Tearlyn and I have a marathon of Virgin River to watch tonight. We are so excited. So do you watch it? Let us know down below if you've seen it yet. But it's definitely probably one of mine and Tearlyn's favorites right now. We've been waiting and waiting. Look, more motorcycles, you guys. We were showing you yesterday, all the cyclists. They're coming from all over the place.
Are we getting food?
These ones look like they're out on a cruise today.
yeah, they do.
Are we getting food?
Yes, we're getting food. We're all starving. Ugh.
Yes.
Need to eat something. Peaches and cream cheese.
Pie. Whoa!
What happened?
Past the little window.
Oh.
Yes. Can I get a?
What happened to you, Jacob and Skylur?
We went, he had a moving job one time way over in Illinois, and we went to it, and we were driving down this small, like, 2-lane highway, and the corn was really high because it was like August, and all of a sudden, like, off of one of them helicopters came, like, right from above the corn, right above us, and we're like, oh!
Well, I'll see you in a little while. Where are you going?
Going to Grandma's, and I'm gonna go to Sawyer's birthday.
Yeah, your cousin's birthday party, huh? It's gonna be 5 today. Well, I think he was actually 5 the other day, but his party's today. Have fun. Okay, you guys. So that's just one cooler full. Matt's sitting on the other one. Okay, you guys. I took my hair down. I'm in my pajamas now, and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon because we are getting ready to do what, T?
Watch Virgin River, and I got my blanket and my teddy bear and my robe.
And
Snacks.
we have snacks. We have taken over the living room, and we have cheese curls.
If you have a quick start by you? They have this herb stuff and it's really cheap. Like this thing, Braxen bought me one of these for myself and I shared it with everybody because it was too much.
I bought us a bag though, and then bought a bag for the kids so that they would. They wouldn't. But listen, it has to hold out through the whole marathon, and I got us an extra big thing of herbs licorice.
Oh, I haven't had that.
It's good. That's what this is like. It's like a cross between that Twizzlers that only comes in like the variety packs around Halloween time, and then Wallabies. And if they had a baby, this is what would have happened. So, anyway, we are about to watch some Virgin River.
And gorge ourselves.
Yes. I got my soda. You got your soda? Let's do it. We got our blankies. We're good to go. I got to turn on the light because it's getting darker. Because possibly we're going to have storms tonight. So we'll see. Maybe some strong ones. It feels like 102 degrees with the humidity today.
Stretching.
Here, I'll let you stretch. Okay, so we have watched the first two seasons. Or I mean, first two episodes.
I was gonna say, wow, we watched a lot of seasons quick.
First two episodes of season 4.
It's good, but it's been sad.
Oh, I've been crying a lot.
Yeah, it's
T's like, "Are you okay, Mom? Are you okay to watch this?"
It's been very sad. Like the first episode was sad.
There's like so many ups and downs, and at first I couldn't remember like some of the stuff going on.
Yeah.
Even though we watched the recap. But now I'm remembering like storyline.
Yeah, we
as
didn't
it's
have
going
to
and
rewatch
stuff.
it like we did with Sweet Magnolias.
Yeah.
But we had like a 2-year gap there because COVID.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, how are you liking it so far? What do you think?
Like it. I think it's a good show.
Yeah. I just hope. Oh my gosh,
I wish it was a little bit more kid friendly so Ireland could watch it with us.
Yeah, it's
I think she'd
definitely.
like it.
It's train wreck right now.
It is.
Like there's so much going on. And it's sad.
I have a stomach ache from eating those licorices.
Do you?
Yeah.
We did eat a lot. We did eat a lot of junk food, you guys. A lot. All right, are you ready for episode 3?
Yeah.
It's called Grilled. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Hopefully.
It's kind of making me a bit It's making me a bit nervous.
Somebody's gonna get grilled.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know if I want to watch it.
We have to. We have to know what's going on.
No, I think we should go to other stuff.
All right, we're watching it. Okay. So we currently just watched episode 4. And T's looking up what the books are for me because they're based on books. I knew it. I can't tell you what's going on. He is not watching them.
We're getting a surprise, and I'm excited.
And he doesn't know what it is?
No.
All right, we're going to go back to watching Virgin River. Okay. Like we literally just, I told you we're going to continue to watch
2
it.
minutes later.
Yeah. Oh, that's all I can say. It's stressful. That's what T said. She's like, it's so stressful.
This whole season, like nothing good has happened.
Tears and stress.
Yeah,
That's
nothing.
what we're having.
I feel like back when The Walking Dead, when we were still enjoying it, this is what watching the seasons was like. It was horrible.
Yeah.
There's never anything good.
All right. We're back. We're going back.
Yes.
We're going back for episode 5. I think, maybe.
By the way, we found out there's 20 books in this series. There's a lot of books.
Yeah.
And by the way, some of them are Christmas time books.
Ooh, okay. I might have to start. I have 2 books I'm finishing right now. I might have to start these after that. Start buying them. Mm-hmm.
You can, because they reissued the books for the Netflix series, you can get covers that have him and her on it.
Ooh. Okay, so we took a dinner break. T took her shower, and we're getting ready to watch episode 6 of Virgin River.
We're halfway through.
Yeah, are we? There's 12
episodes.
Ooh, we
There's
get 12.
2 more this time. It's usually 10.
I'm excited. But we just got a notification we are under a severe thunderstorm watch. So we'll have to see. I know they said about 11 o'clock we're supposed to be in like a huge red area on the radar. Now we'll just have to kind of keep an eye out and see what thunderstorm warning is finally kicking in. We're getting lightning, thunder. Well, it's raining. Here, I'll show you. Maybe. Oh, it's so humid too. Yeah, look at that sky lighting up. Oh, My camera is so foggy right now from the humidity. Whew, the rain is like coming in the door at the moment. My toes are getting wet. Oh. Holy cow. The wind is picking up. Normally you can't hear storms down here, but listen to that wind, you guys. Holy cow. Dang. Oh. Holy cow. Listen to that wind. Oh my gosh. Wow. It is just the lightning is just continuous. The wind isn't quite as bad as it was, but that lightning is just, there's a lot. I think they said about 6 a.m. it's supposed to get bad again, so we'll see. No, that wind is picking up again. Look at that. Wow. Holy cow. I can barely keep that door open. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Did the wind shuffle the wood?
Yeah, it did. That wind is so strong right now, you guys. So we are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and to watch, this is the storm system that's moving through. I don't know if you guys can see that wind and that rain is just fierce right now. Wow. Yeah, you can't even open the door. It's blowing so hard.